Fabio Cannavaro was one of the best centre-backs of all time and the last defender to win the Ballon d'Or. He's a barely tested manager, but has still managed to become one of the best paid in the world, working in China. Being a great player will not guarantee your success as a manager.Sure. Pep Guardiola has proved that it can happen, but Roy Keane on the other hand didn't exactly have a great time as boss of Ipswich. Check out our video on players who have moved to the Chinese Super League. Further to that, Jose Mourinho's football career is hardly famed for being one of the best players on the planet, but a quick look at what he's achieved as a manager would be the envy of most. Fabio Cannavaro was one of the best centre-backs at least of his generation and has now moved on to management, getting his break first in Dubai and then subsequently in China. He is now in charge of Guangzhou Evergrande, with the new season actually starting on Friday. Managers' wages in the Chinese Super League have been released, and the Italian has been revealed as the league's top earner. It's incredible that on €12 million a year the Italian is one of the highest paid managers in the world, and as per Business Insider's article from October 2017, he's actually the fourth highest. China national team manager Marcelo Lippi, who managed Cannavaro during the World Cup success 2010, is the highest paid manager in the world on a reported £18 million a year. Lippi will be hoping to take China to the 2022 World Cup. Images. After Lippi comes Pep Guardiola and Jose Mourinho, and that's followed by Cannavaro.